Welcome to my channel. The Indian Air Force is facing a daunting challenge, as its fighter squadron strength continues to dwindle. Currently, the IAF has a sanctioned strength of 42 squadrons, but only 31 are operational. This alarming decline raises questions about national security and military readiness for future threats. Chief Air Marshal A.P. Singh is sounding the alarm on aging aircraft and delayed fighter jet projects. To add to the complexity, international offers for advanced jets could complicate defense procurement decisions. What implications does this depletion hold for India's defense strategy and its self-reliance goals? The pressing need for accelerated defense development has never been clearer in today's geopolitical landscape. Join us as we navigate the intricate web of factors leading to IAF's current predicament. And while the skies may seem uncertain, there's still hope through systematic reforms and modernization efforts. Stay tuned to learn how India can reclaim its air dominance and strengthen national defense. Thanks for watching.